In this video, I'm gonna break my fast by reviewing Bird's Eye's Green Cuisine Fishless Fingers. Hi and welcome to another Break a Fast food review. My name's Jesse and I'm the Fast and Sparky. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing my first fishless product, which is the Green Cuisine or Bird's Eye's Green Cuisine Fishless Fingers. Now, I had this brand before. I have had another brand and I thought they were quite good. But I did watch Gareth's review of these earlier. The bald foodie guy. He's brilliant. Love watching Gareth's videos. In fact, he's one of the food reviewers that inspired me to start me doing some reviews as well. So yeah, brilliant. Yeah, so I watched Gareth's review earlier, which was good as usual. I like how he does his reviews. Yeah, and because Gareth is obviously a meat eater, I really do think, you know, this type of meatless food is gonna struggle to get meat eaters eating it, basically. So I think you will all, you know, these companies will always struggle to get the meat eaters eating it. I mean, why would they? Why would they? I mean, if they're not suffering any health problems from eating meat, then why would they? If they like eating meat, they've not got a problem with eating meat, why would they not eat meat? So yeah, so I think when a meat eater gives an opinion or reviews a vegan product, it's gonna be hard to get them ticking all the boxes, innit? I mean, they ain't even got to get me ticking all the boxes. But anyway, let's see where this goes. Okay, let's have a look at the protein source and nutritional information. So it says on the box, textured rice flake coated in breadcrumbs, lightly fried. So does that mean it's rice protein? Must be. So our ingredients: textured rice flake 40%. So is it rice then, is it? Flavoured rice, that's what it is. Wheat flour, so it's basically wheat is the allergens. What about the calories? So calories, I'm now going to look a bit more into the calories. So on average, the Break a Fast reviews are averaging 219 calories per 100 grams of product. The highest one so far is a Bird's Eye product, which was a Southern Fried Grill, and that was 318. So what is this one? So this is, as per 100 grams, provides 257 calories. So that is above the average. A traffic light system. I'll put all this info up on the screen if I haven't already. Now we've got, this isn't too bad actually. We've got 2 greens and 2 ambers. We've got fat at 14 grams, which is an amber. We got saturates, which is a green, at 1.1 grams, and this is per 4 fishless fingers. So it's for 4 of them. Per 4 fishless finger oven bake provides. Saturates 1.1 grams, and then we've got another green, which is sugars at 1.9 grams, and then we've got salt, which is the other amber, which is 1.5 grams. Now, price point. I bought these quite a while ago, probably 6 weeks ago. And I can't remember what I paid for them. They come on a weekly online shop. I don't know what I paid for them. Now, I have been in, I normally shop at Morrison's. I have been in Morrison's today, and I did have a look in their section where they keep all this stuff, and it's not there now. It's not there, the label's not there, and there's nothing on the shelf. So, and I've been online, and it looks like hardly anyone is selling this product now. So I wonder, is this product still being made? Is it still being manufactured? If people know that it's been discontinued, please get in the comments, let me know. But yeah, the only place I could find it online was Ocado. No, I've never heard of them. Ocado, a place called Ocado, however you Ocado. Ocado? God knows. So yeah, they were selling it, and the price was £2. Usual price £2.50. And I got a feeling that's what I paid. I got a feeling I don't think I would have paid £2.50 for this. I think they were on offer, and I thought, oh, I'll have some of them. So I wonder if I snapped them up when Morrison's would put them on offer to run them down. Don't know. If you know, let us know. Get in the comments, please. Right, I think that just about wraps up all the information on the box. So I think it's time to fire up the oven and get some food on the plate. Okay, here it is. Here's my meal for today. Let's have a look at one, shall we? I mean, they just look like normal fish fingers. Which is not hard to do, innit? You could make a bit of cardboard look like a normal fish finger, I would imagine. Right, okay. What I'm going to do, what I've done, I've put it in a roll with lettuce and lots of mayo. Because this is how I would perhaps normally eat a fish fingers. So I'm going to try it like this first. Get an initial thought of it, and then I'll try it for just what it is, and then we'll try and get closer to an opinion of what it actually tastes like. Right, here we go then. Let's break my fast. You can taste a fish fingery taste, no doubt about it. Gareth mentioned in his review that he thought the taste was coming through the coating, the breadcrumb coating. I think he's right. I think that is where the taste is coming from. I mean, that's just a mush inside. Yeah, it definitely don't look like a codfish finger. I'm going to dig some of the inside out and just taste that for what it is. Now I've got a bit of coating on there. Right, let's taste this. Not much taste to it. Let's empty this and then we'll get to... Now my mum always told me, never lick the knife. I never did do what she said. Poor old mum, God rest her. There ain't a huge amount of flavour to it, to be honest. I would say, if you like a normal fish finger is 100%, like put it in your mouth and you get that flavour, that taste. This is like a very diluted version of that. I'd say about 40%. I'd say you're getting about 40% of the experience you would with a normal fish finger. Flavour wise, texture wise, it's the same. If you lost your taste, if somebody lost the taste, here we come, here's trouble. Go on, my man, way you go. Bobo, come on. Go on your head, son. Go on, you're there. Go on. Give it a big one. Bobo. Do it yourself, fat lad. Limey. We will get there. Yeah, if you lost your taste and somebody gave you them and told you they were a fish finger, a cheap range fish finger, so that'd be like the mashed up fish finger type. If someone done that, I'll tell you what, it's a bit like the old fish cake. It's a bit like the old fish cake consistency in there. So if someone done that, gave you them and said, hey, look, they're the old cheap range fish fingers, and you couldn't taste them, you'd have no reason to believe that is not a fish finger. But when you can taste, it's got a very diluted fish fingery taste. So when you do something like that with them, they're fine. I just have a bit of mushy peas. Oh, lovely. So yeah, when you start doing stuff like this with them, now you're talking. I mean, I always, even as a kid, I loved vinegar. When I was a kid, I loved vinegar. I used to drink the vinegar out of the bottle. I'd give it one of them, as if my mother caught me. Whew, she'd have brained me. That's what she used to say. Oh, brain you! What did that mean, brain you? I never did know, but I knew it weren't a good thing. Oh, brain you, she used to say to me. God, I used to play her up. But anyway, poor old girl. Anyway, I loved malt vinegar as a kid. I actually put apple cider vinegar on my chips now. I have apple cider vinegar. Lovely. But malt vinegar, I love it as well. And I used to give it one of them, go in the cupboard. I used to drink the malt vinegar. Who else done that? I'm not the only one. No way. Other people done that. Get in the comments if you've done that as a kid. But yeah, as a kid, I used to absolutely drown my fish fingers in vinegar. And I would, if I weren't reviewing, I would have put vinegar on them. But because I was reviewing them, I didn't want to, you know, mask the flavour. Right, okay. Let's go for a score. Right, the texture's there. The texture's like a fish cake sort of texture. I mean, fish cakes have got fish mixed with potato, haven't they? I think. It's got that sort of texture about it. Like I said, it's got a diluted version of the flavour. The price £2. Well, $2.50 normally, and you get 12 of them. Probably quite high really for that. Chip butty. I've got to have a chip butty. Or a bite of one. Oh, lovely. Oh, I love a chip butty. Dunk it in the old mayo. Oh, lovely. Bung the food chips in there, you're sorted. Right, score. Whatever am I got to give this? I think it's a little bit pricey. The flavour's not very strong. Because they're putting a breadcrumb coating on it, surely that's got to make it easier when they try to replicate these products. Anything with a breadcrumb coating on it, it can't be that hard, can it? So it's not difficult to make it look like a fish cake. The texture's very similar to more like a fish cake than a fish finger. It has got that fish fingery taste, but like I said, it's very diluted. It's less than half. I'd say it's less than half. You know. So for that reason, right, we got to work from that 8, that magical score of 8. Is it tasty? Would I buy it again? I've got to score it for what it actually is. Because, I mean, that on its own, the food chips, yeah, they're tasty, but you put them in a chip butty, loads of vinegar, salt, sauce on, you know, you're enhancing it. So I can't judge it for what it is in there. I've got to judge it for what it is on its own. Is it tasty? Nah, not tasty enough. So I wouldn't buy it again. So the score's got to be less than an 8. I'll give it a 7.5. Yeah, I think that's a fair score. I think if they were a bit cheaper, I probably would buy them again. If they were $150 a box, I would buy them again just so I could have this now and again. Yeah, 7.5, that's a fair score for that. That's the first meat-free fish product, or fish-free fish product I've reviewed, so that goes straight in at the top. I will be reviewing some more because I'm interested, because I haven't really had. I have had one other. I've had the Quorn ones probably 18 months ago. I've had the Quorn ones, and I seem to remember they were quite good. They did. I'm sure they had more flavour to them. So I'll be reviewing them, and I think they do some more fish products now, so I will be trying some of them. But if any of you guys tried these, what do you think of them? Tried any others? Let me know what others you've tried, what you think of the others, and then I'll get on it. I'll get reviewing some more. Right guys, I'll tell you what, ain't he been well behaved? You alright, Boo Boo? Alright, man? He was in the sink as I was starting, but other than that, he's been good. And his sister's in here, the other cat, his adopted sister. They normally, they don't like one another too much. They tolerate one another. But yeah, he's been well behaved. That's unlike him. Blimey. Right guys, before I go, must mention what I will be reviewing later, which will come out the day after this video, but I'll be reviewing it in a couple of hours time, is my something sweet. And today I have got, now I must remember, hey Boo Boo, don't you be going in there, my old trusty favourite, Morrison's Donuts. Ho ho ho, now I'm talking here. Look at this, raspberry. Ho ho ho. God, I love a donut. I really love a donut, and these are right up there. Right up there. So I'm really looking forward to them. I haven't had any for probably 3 weeks, and probably longer than that. Probably haven't had any for about a month. So yeah, I'm looking forward to them. Having them with my nice cup of coffee later. Right guys, there we go. So that, guys, is another Fast Broken Buy a Food review. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll join me again soon on the next one. Hey, take care. I'm now going to finish this because I am hungry. Oh yes, lovely old jubbly. I'll tell you what, I'm going to finish this first. Look at this, Boo Boo. Oh yeah. Get it in a sandwich. Woohoo.
I ain't gonna mess that one up, am I? It's not a tongue twister. It rolls off the old tongue. Whee! Hi, and welcome to another... Right, I'm still going to that bit, right? No, can I? Ooh, here we go. Right, here we go. Let's get Head of Security his chew. Yes, you can have some as well, Boo Boo. Creamies for you. Yes, I know, Boo Boo. Yes, you're getting yours, Boo Boo. Yes, I know. I'm going as fast as I can. Yes, I am. No, you're not. Now, here's your sister now. She wants some. Come on then. In you come. That's it. There you are. Whoa, easy. Nearly had them all over. There you are. You have some. You can have one or two more, boo-boo. Right? There you go. Right, here we go. Oh, yeah, baby. Ho, ho, ho. Bubble, get down off there. Oh, God, here we go. Are you finished, Bubbles? Right, no fighting, you two. Oh, he's in the sink. Bubbles, can you get out of the sink, please? There's nothing in there. Bubble. Whoa. Don't tip it over, fat lad.